The DEN Modern Cottage cabin plan has exposed beam features, a naturally occurring cross breeze, and bonus loft space to enjoy your morning practice or stow an extra for overnight guests. An entire corner of glass opens out to wrap around decking perfectly, designed to offer extra living space outdoors to convene with nature. A queen-sized master bedroom, full bathroom with a deep soaking tub, and ample storage space make this small, but full-featured home ready for nice, long stays.